If Gimp ever freezes, stops responding, or just won't close normally, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to force quit Gimp on Windows. This is a simple fix, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Whether Gimp is stuck loading, not saving, or the window has completely locked up, this method will help you close it safely from Windows itself. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get straight into it. On Windows, the easiest way to force quit Gimp is by opening Task Manager. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut opens Task Manager right away, so you don't have to wait for menus or try clicking through a frozen app window. Once Task Manager opens, you'll see a list of all the apps and background processes currently running on your computer. Now look through the list and find Gimp. It may appear under the App section, and sometimes it may simply show as Gimp or GNU Image Manipulation Program, depending on your system. As soon as you find it, click once to select it. After selecting Gimp, look down to the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window and click End Task. This tells Windows to immediately close the program, even if it is not responding normally. If Gimp was frozen, this should force it to shut down right away. In some cases, Windows may take a moment to finish ending the process, so give it a second if needed. Once it closes, you can reopen Gimp and continue working, or restart your computer if the problem keeps happening. If Task Manager doesn't appear the first time, just try the shortcut again, or right-click the taskbar and open it from there. But in most cases, Ctrl Shift Escape is the quickest and easiest method. So to recap, press Ctrl Shift and Escape, find Gimp in Task Manager, and click End Task. That's the fastest way to force quit Gimp on Windows. If this helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.